and all of you. Okay, so it's more clear, right? So there is no noise and all those things, right? It's clear. Yeah. So let's move to the further. Today, last class we already started. The most important concept was started. What was the topic name, students? What was the topic name? Come on, all of you. Operators and expressions. Operators and expressions. So these are the operators we discussed it. Dear students, how many operators are available? There are 7 operators are available here. Arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators. As a part of membership operators, there are 2 operators are available. One is in operator, one more is not in operator. One is membership operator, one more is not in operator. Dear students, we are going to say identity operators, is operator, is not operator. Python programming does not support unary operators, which I said in the last session. Python programming also does not support ternary operator of C++ languages. C++ languages will not support. Python programming is having its own ternary operator, that is, if else operator is already we are discussing. If else condition is different, if else operator is different. And Python programming having its own shorthand operators like plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, etc. These many things we already noted in the previous session. And today is the class where we are discussing about the another one is called assignment operator. We discuss assignment operator. So let us start discussing about assignment operator now. Very, very easy. Let us start discussing about assignment operator now. Very simple. Let me go to the assignment operator here. Assignment operator. Very simple. See, students. So I'm going to take it assignment operator now. Easy. So here, what is the use of this assignment operator? How to use it? And what is my special discussion about this assignment operator? When you come to the Python environment, now, as usually you take it, run as administrator. So go to this place and here it is going to be allowed like this and having something like this. When you look at A is equal to 10, when you look at this screen, A is equal to 10, the value called 10, if you look into this area, A is equal to 10. The value 10 is assigned to the left side variable, here. So the meaning of this entire thing is A is equal to 10. The value 10 is assigned to the left side variable. So the 10 is assigned to the left side variable. So we are using the operator single equal to is called what? Assignment operator. Is called assignment operator. The RHS value called when I say print of a comma type of a, that is assigned to the RHS value assigned to a, and it is not a new for you. And b is equal to 20 and the print of b comma type of b, the b value also printed. I say c is equal to a plus b. You look at that, the value called a plus b is evaluated and using once again the operator equal to, put it into the variable called c. So if you look at very seriously here, the point to remember is C is equal to A plus B I set. This A plus B value, this A plus B value is going to be placed in where? Is placed in where? C. So the value A plus B is called an expression, arithmetic expression, last class I said, is assigned to the left side variable called C. So we are using the assignment operator called single equal to here. So the syntax is the purpose of assignment operator. The purpose of assignment operator is that to store is that to store or transfer is that to store or transfer I can write it transfer LHS variable or LHS expression value variable RHS variable. This is the purpose of which one? Assignment operator. The purpose of assignment operator is that to store or transfer LHS variable or LHS expression value is assigned to A. The symbol called what I highlighted is called single equal to. This is called single equal to is called assignment operator. It is not only used for assigning the value, you can use for assigning the expression value to the left side variable. This C is equal to A plus B I set. This value can be assigned to left side variable. So if I print that value of C here, this is not a new for you, which is already the old one only, not a difficult for you. So 30 is assigned. So the overall conclusion is transferring LHS variable or LHS expression value to the RHS thing. Now if I go to the syntax, I can write it. See students, I'll take it here. I want to go for assigning your number, name and marks. SNO is equal to 10. Name is equal to something like Rosam. Now I am writing marks is equal to something like I am writing the value called what 34.56 I am writing. 34.56 I am writing. These are all called assigning the LHS variable value to the RHS variable value to the left side variable. Assigning LHS variable or LHS expression value to the RHS variable. Yes, it is assigned. Now I'm printing that SNO comma S name, that is name comma marks, which is displayed here. Done. Now I want to go for this is called what? One value of RHS assigning at a time to the LHS variable. This type of assignment is known as single line assignment we can call. Single line assignment operator we can call. Single line assignment operator we can call. So this the conclusion is single line assignment means what? What do you mean by single line assignment? It is assigning at a time RHS value at a time to the LHS variable. That is known as what? Single line assignment we can call. So this type of assignment is called single line assignment. This already you learned it. What is my specialty of today's class is you can go for multi-line assignment. You can go for multi-line assignment is my specialty. This is what you are supposed to learn newly in my class. Multi-line assignment, we are going to use it. What do you mean by multi-line assignment? Comma, name, comma, marks, comma, college name I'm taking. SNO is equal SNO comma name comma marks comma college name is equal to, I'll write all the things. I'm writing here called 100. I'm writing 100. Next is called a row sum. Next is called a row sum. And another one is called 45.67. And next is called here I'm writing JNTU. I'm just writing it. These are all called what? Multiple values. How this operator single equal to, you observe this operator single equal to, how it assigns, how it assigns, how this value will be assigning. This value will be assigning as 100 is assigned to SNO, ROSM is assigned to name, 45.67 is assigned to this, and JNT will be assigned to this. This is known as what you know, multi-line assignment we can call. So this is not a assignment here. It is not a wrong assignment. This is served values will be assigned. This is known as multi-line assignment. How do you print this now? Print of SNO. If you want to print one by one, you can print, no issue. Name, comma, marks, comma, COL name. I can write it all at once. So this is the data printed. These things are called single line assignment. This is known as multi-line assignment. So here we are learning, the symbol for assignment operator is, the symbol for assignment operator is single equal to, single equal to. You have to pronounce a single equal to. I'm writing the symbolic notation in the bracket. Symbolic notation in the bracket. Well, so what is this symbolic notation single equal to can be used in? Single equal to can be used in two ways. The assignment operator we can use in Python programming. In Python programming, we can use we can use we can use assignment operator in two ways. We can use assignment operator in two ways. In two ways. They are number one, I am going to tell assignment operator. Number one, I am going to single line assignment. Single line assignment, number one. Next is called single line assignment. Next is called multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment. In single line assignment, what is happening? I'm just writing here. Single line assignment, multi-line assignment. Dear students, single line assignment easy. So what is the single line assignment syntax? Syntax, I am going to use it. The syntax is variable name is equal to value. This is single line assignment. Or you can also use this as variable name is equal to expression. Here, variable name is equal to value or variable name is equal to expression. So the purpose of this assignment operator, the single line assignment operator, I am writing, the single line assignment operator is used for transferring at a time, transferring at a time one value from RHS, RHS to what? LHS variable. LHS variable. This is called what you know. This examples. What are the examples here? I am using it. Here I am using simple. As I already mentioned it, let us take once again. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to A plus B, and print of A comma B comma C. I'll just go for it. This is single line assignment. This is single line assignment. So here I'm going to use it, single line assignment example. I can also take example which was Look at here, also mentioned single line assignment. So here this is a value, first syntax. Second value, expression. It is an expression here, arithmetic expression. Here completely values are placed over here. This is comes under single line assignment. So is it clear, students? Is this is clear? Students in online and offline, I hope all the students are there in the class now. I hope everything is clear now. Well. Good response. Keep it up. Now I'm going to move to the further single line assignment. Very nice, students. Please. Next, multi-line assignment I'm using. Multi-line assignment I'm using now. So second one, I'll go for multi-line assignment. So multi-line assignment, if you take it, multi-line assignment, if you take it, here I'm going to use like this. What is the syntax here? So first here also syntax is written. So syntax is like this. Look at the syntax here. Variable variable n is equal to value 1 comma value 2 comma so on comma value n, value 1 value 2 value n. These are all comes under what? Multi-line assignment. Or you can also write this as like this. So same wording, variable name 1 is equal to, I can say here, I can say one, expression 1, expression 2, comma, expression 2, so on, comma, what? Expression n. These are the values. So I'm going to mention here, what is the meaning of this RHS things? Here, multi-line assignment operator, at a time transfers multiple values from RHS to the LHS variables on the basis of first come first served on FCFS basis. So this single line assignment operator is transferring one value at a time. I will write it. The multi-line assignment operator. Here I will mention it. I'll change the sentence. Multi-line assignment operator. Multi-line assignment operator is used for transferring at a time multiple values at a time multiple values from RHS to LHS variables, LHS variables, LHS variables on the basis of FCFS, on the basis of first come first served. If you get a difficulty over it, I'll be saying this as something like this. What is that? In the above syntax, in the above syntax, in the above syntax, what we are doing here, values of value 1, value 2, value n are assigned to these are all RHS values. You know that these are RHS values are assigned to are assigned to assigned to assigned to what we are assigned to which one? Left side variable, variable 1, variable 2, variable n assigned to variable 1, variable 2, variable n. This is called LHS. Respectively means you know the meaning of it. Respectively. So coming to the point of it, you already understood the meaning of it. In other words, or you can say the values of what is this? I can say that expression 1, expression 2, expression n, expression 1, expression 2, expression n. This is called RHS values, students. RHS values are assigned to this kind of places, LHS variable 1, LHS variable 2 respectively. This is the subject of what? This is the subject of, these are LHS, yes, yes, good. Is this a Nagasai? Yes, my dear student, correct. This is called LHS. I can write LHS. So this is about the concept. Is it clear? And example, it's very, very simple. Simple. Look into the students. Here I'm going to take it. As I mentioned it, I'll take a statement here. A comma B is equal to, now I'm going to write C comma D comma E is equal to, I want to do addition, subtraction, multiplication. How do you do it now? Everything is multi-line assignment. A plus B I am taking, A plus B I am taking, comma A minus B I am taking, A star B I am taking. Print of what here? A comma B you print it, and print of what you can say? MUL, MUL is equal to, I am writing here C, sorry, ADD. ADD is equal to, addition is equal to, comma, A I am writing. And the next I am going to write it, sub is equal to, comma, what I am writing, D I am writing. Next I am writing MUL is equal to, MUL is equal to, I am writing here as called what? E I am writing, E I am writing E. So I got it. This is called multi-line assignment expression, multi-line assignment variables. So students, I think it is more clear. Is it clear, students? Come on, respond. Respond immediately. This is more clear. So I'll go for a small example here. All of you open your notes. All of you open your notes. Make it fast. And one more thing I will try to take up here like this. So here, this example also I will take care. This is a multi-line assignment. I assigned everything here. This part also I will carry. Well, students, open your notes. Write a program. Write a program. Write a program. Who is this? Shiva. It is C. You written as A. Where is that A, my dear student? Where is that? Ah, okay. Okay, you can write it. Okay, variable name. Variable name is mistake here. So this is A. In place of that C, you can write it. In place of that, add is equal to C, 30. Variables, yes, that's correct. So I'll take it as what now? C, I will write it. It is called a 20. It is 30. It is a 30. Okay, students. Now, I hope it is clear. C, D, E. So I just corrected it and we got it. And this is a multi-line assignment. Okay, students. Now I'll go for one small things here. Look at students, all of you. One small important point I'm going to tell. One important, most important point I'm going to tell. What are the most important point is, this I will mention it after this program is over. Write down. Write a Python program. Open the notes, all of you, write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python functionality of, which demonstrates the functionality of, which demonstrates the functionality of, which demonstrates the functionality of assignment operator, assignment operator, assignment operator, assignment operator. Okay. Let us go to the point here. PyCharm, you take it. Let us go to the PyCharm here. Let us go to the PyCharm now. It is very, very simple. I'm using PyCharm, I am using it. And let's move to your place. Let's move to your place here. 7 a.m. operators, 7 a.m. operators. This is already we did in the last more things. Look at that. I'm using Python file. So I'm using assignment operator, example1.py. Example1.py, I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to take up. So program for demonstrating. This is very simple. We use daily, but the point is only the related concept is what we are using. Multi-line assignment is my special priority here. Program for demonstrating assignment operator, assignment operator, assignment operator. That too, my priority is multi-line assignment operator. Look at students. I'm writing here something like this. A comma B is equal to float of input of. See how I am writing it. Everybody has to answer it. What I'm asking. Enter first value. Enter first value. Now I'm taking one more kind of thing, comma, enter second value. I'm taking enter second value. There I'm taking enter second value here. So I'm going to take up here second value I'm going to take up. What is this line is called? What is this line? Can anybody can answer it? What is this line is called? Come on, response is important. This is called multi-line assignment. This is called multi-line assignment. So earlier we used to write one by one. Earlier we used to write one by one. If you look at the beginning, I used to write in a one line. These two lines are called what? Single line assignment. But we are doing all at once. So let us go to the multi-line assignment. Done. Now I'm going to do it. This is called sum1, comma, sub1, comma, mul1, comma, mul1, comma, sub1, comma, mul1, comma, and div1, comma, and the next is called fdiv1, comma, next is called modulus, comma, exp1 is equal to a plus b, comma, a minus b, comma, a star b, comma, a slash b, comma, a double slash b, comma, a percentage b, comma, a star b. This concept is known as what? Again, this is comes under multi-line assignment only. This is called multi-line assignment only. This I want to print the data. So here I will like to print. I'd like to print the symbol star printed 50 times, and everybody must notice this point. Everybody must notice this point. Very, very special. And star 50 is printed the value star. How many times? 50. There I'm writing print of operator, assignment operator. So here I'm writing assignment operator. There I'm going to take very, very important. Here I'm writing, directly I'm writing something like this. What is it? Backslash T, I'm writing backslash T. There I will write it plus symbol and is equal to, I'm writing like this, dot format of A comma B comma sum1. Like this I can copy and multiple things I can write it. Let us run this now. Value called 10, 20. I got the result 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Our intention is not to tell about plus here. Our intention is to tell about the special points. Line number 3 and 4 are the special points here. That is our basic intention of writing like this. Okay. Next, I will go for the minus. Next, I'll go for the operator minus. I'm taking. Next is called what you know, multiplication. Here I'm going to write star, symbol called star. Here I'm going to write it MUL1, MUL1. Next I'm going to write it and slash, and I'll take up slash. You have to practice all the things. You must write the notes as well. So MUL FDIV1. It's a DIV, na? DIV1. DIV1. Next, I need to write a double slashes. Double slashes. And I already said the difference between single slash and then multi lines. I said you must notice this point. FDIV1. And next, I will go for another point, percentage. So I I hope that you people done the homework, I think so. Have done the homework? Forget to ask you this question. Have you done the homework, all of you? Completed homework? Okay, good. So you must do the homework, students. Without doing homeworks, if you attend the classes, it's not good. You have to do the homeworks. Okay. Let me go to the further, students. Follow me carefully now. Last one is exponentiation operator. Exponentiation operator. And this part is star star I am using, star star. This I will go for EXP1. EXP1 I am taking. Well, students, try to run this. This is already done. And here the value is called 10 and then 3. If you look into that, like yesterday's answer, it is printed for perfectly. It is printed perfectly. So students, I hope the concept of assignment operator is done. Multi-line assignment operator is my high priority, which is given now. This is more clear. Students, I want to go for one important point to cover here. Is this example is clear? Is this example is clear for everybody? Please respond. Everybody need to respond. Yes. Good. Good response. Those who are giving, I'm appreciating. Let us move to the further. Well, now students, here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. The another point is how results of assignment operator we got it. One more example I want to go for it. Write down, open your notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program for swapping, swapping or interchanging, interchanging of interchanging of two values, interchanging of two values, interchanging of two values. Write a Python program for swapping or interchanging of two values. Write a Python program for swapping or interchanging of two values. Okay. So what do you mean by this swapping? Online students, carefully try to understand, my dear students. Everybody need to notice this point. Assume that I have the value called A. Interchanging means exchanging the values. This is a value 10 and this is a value called B is called 20. So exchanging means what? 10 should go to B and 20 should come to A. This is the meaning of what? Interchanging or swapping. First time you are learning this computer science, you must have this word. It's a regularly asking question in the interview point of view. So students, how you can do it? So interchanging means you should not go for lighting just like A is equal to B, B is equal to A. So I'm going to write it. A is equal to B, B is equal to A is a wrong answer. Because of that, both A and B contains what values? Same values only present. Look at all of you. Don't try to apply your old knowledge. You follow me carefully. Okay. So coming to the point back. See, when I'm explaining, you try to get my knowledge. Try to over smart to say your previous knowledge. Laksha. So try to follow me carefully to understand my presentation first. That is the main important here. This is very simple. Even in a gully college also, this will be explained by everybody. But my intention is not to take such a type of knowledge. My intention is to give you the perfect knowledge what I am giving here. This part I want to go for it. What is the meaning here? A is equal to 10 and the next B is equal to 20. These are the values we have. single line assignment. Other way we can write it. I am trying to explain your enhancing the skills in the programming. 10 comma 20, I am going to take it. So the value of A is this one, value of B is this one. Now here I want to go for exchanging that. In B comma A, if I write it, or in A comma B, if I write A comma B here, print of A comma B, which is going to print the value called 1020. When I write A comma B is equal to B comma A, I am writing. B comma A, I am writing. This is the special statement in my class. That is what I want to tell you. Actually, for swapping is concerned, there are 5 logics are available. Actually, there are 5 logics are available. Five logics are available. I am going to tell you one by one. One of the logic is multi-line assignment. In A, what is the value going? B. What is the value going? A is going to where? B. I think this is more clear. This is more clear. Or you can write B comma A is equal to A comma B also you can write it. This is also happily good. Is it clear? This is the most important point I want to cover. What is that? I am saying here, go to this place here. I am saying A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. Print A comma B now. A comma B you write it. A comma B is equal to B comma A. B comma A. Print of A comma B. A comma B. I got it 2010, 1020, 2010. Is it swapping or not? Swapping. What is this now? Multi-line assignment. This part, you will not get it in your colleges and all those things. I'll tell you 5 different varieties of logics. Finally, you can ask me, which logic is the best? I will explain all of them. You must be so careful enough. A is equal to, A is equal to, once again you write it like this, B comma A is equal to A comma B also you can write it. Write this AB, also same result is coming. So this program I will write it. Multi-line assignment operator example 2.py. So I'm just going to write it by using multi-line assignment operator I am using here. 2.py, I'm saying here 2.py, go to this place and I'm going to write it very easily and keep this answer. So here, Mr. Shiva, what I am discussing and what you are saying, my dear student. First of all, I said already, don't express your old virus knowledge. I already said to you. I said already to you, don't express your old knowledge, which I'm not worrying about it. What I'm talking about is multi-line assignment. You try to, when I say certain things, you clearly observe it. You try to improve your things. Everybody knows 0 to 9. Everybody knows 0 to 9. But how well we use this 0 to 9, that is an important. Okay, now? Are you following that? So that you need to follow. There are totally 5 logics are available. One of the logic is multi-line assignment. That you need to follow. That is the point here. Whether you know already one logic or not, I am not least bothering about it. You need to follow my presentation and my intelligence of the logic here. Okay. Program for swapping, or swapping or interchanging of interchanging of two values. Two values. I'm going to take it. Two values I'm taking. So how do you take it? By using multi-line assignment. By using multi-line assignment. So multi-line assignment I'm going to take. How do you take this multi-line assignment? So that is my point. As usual, here it's any type of value you can take it. A comma B is equal to, I am taking that enter first value, enter value of A, enter value of A. I am writing any type of value, maybe numeric, maybe special symbol or whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's a generic value. Any value can be taken up. Enter value of B. I am taking enter value of B. So here I'm going to take up, here I'm going to take up dot py I am going to take it. B I am writing it. Well, students, after writing that, I'll print the original value here. Original value I will print it. What is the original value here I am writing? Very, very simple. There I am writing print. I am writing here value of original value of A, original value of A, original value of A is equal to comma A, or you can write a dot format of A. You can write like this. And you can also say original value of B also you can say B. You can say B also here. Done. Then after that, you are applying the swapping logic. Swapping logic, I'm going to write it. Swapping logic by using multi-line assignment, multi-line assignment, multi-line assignment, multi-line assignment. How to do this now? I'm just writing A comma B is equal to B comma A, B comma A, B comma A. You can also write this as what you know, A comma B is equal to, or B comma A is equal to, B comma A is equal to A comma B as well. You can write it. You can write as well. Here I am going to write it. So coming to the point of it, I'm going to write it here, something like this. I want to print the swapped values here, students. I want to print the swapped values. Here I want to write it. Swapped value of A, swapped value of A written here. Same AB. Swapped value of B, it is written here. B. A and B values are printed. So I hope you are following me now. So let us run this code and then see this very carefully, which is very, very important. Run this code. Here I am entering the value 10 and 20, the value called 1020 and 2010. 2010. So swapping the value. It is only integers I entered. I will enter something like this. The value called KVR and the value called Python I am entering, Python. So I've got KVR Python and then Python KVR. These are the values which we take it. And then run it once again. You enter any sort of values. 2 plus 3j and then something like true you enter it. True you enter it. You will be getting the same thing. Students, try to follow me very carefully. This is going to be called as what you know. I think you are understanding the meaning of what, how these values will be interchanging now. Is it clear, students? Is all of them got this? Is all of them understood this logic? Very, very special here. This is very, very special. Students, further I want to move to the another thing. Another thing I just want to go for it, which is very, very easy and try to follow. Dear students, this logic, I want to tell you in another way also. Another way I want to tell you. In another way means what? Another logic I want to explain. Another logic I want to explain it. What is the another logic I am using? I just want to tell you. So just a minute, student. I'll keep charging for my laptop. Just a minute. I'll keep charging for my laptop. Students, now we'll start now. I think now we'll go for who is this? Arif, what is this? Sir, please respond. Can we use this logic in single line assignment? So when I'm explaining, you must follow that. I said how many logics? I said how many logics? Mr. Arif, Asifa, Arifa. I will respond for everything which is genuine. Okay. If it is not genuine, I will not respond. What to respond, what not to respond, I already know. I said 5 important logics are there. This is called one multi-line assignment. I said 5 logics. I said I'm going to tell 5 logics now. Okay. One by one, I'll explain. Try to listen. Right? Open the notes. What this is called a logic number 1. Logic number 1, this is called. Logic number 2, I am going to introduce. This is called a logic number 1. Logic number 2. How can you do this single assignment here? For asking doubt also, something must be required. How can you, this is the name itself says that multi-line assignment. How can you single line assignment here? Then I'm using the so you must follow me carefully. Logic number 2, I'm going to, this is a logic number 1. Logic number 2, I am going to explain. Try to listen now. Mr. Asif, try to listen if you want the logic here. Now here, second logic I am going to introduce. Same program, second logic I am going to introduce. I'm telling all the things, you must be patiently you need to listen so that you will understand it. If you excite by like a college, because you have seen so many people who which is branding for Python, you have to listen. Swapping or interchanging of two values by using some other logic, I am using it. What is the logic? You try to understand. Logic number 2, I am going to use it. So I am reading the data. I am reading the data. How I am reading the data? How I am reading the data? Look at B is equal to I am saying. What is this line of reading? Mr. Asif, tell me now. What is this line of reading? What is this line of reading? Everybody answer it now. What is this line of reading? Everybody need to answer. What is this line of reading? This line of reading. Am I audible, students? Am I audible? Online students, are you there? Line is called, yeah, tell me what is this line is called? Everybody try to answer it. What is this line is called? Single line assignment. Single line assignment, this is called. Single line assignment. In single line assignment, what I am doing? I am reading the data simply. I am reading the data simply. So, when you read the data simply over there, when you read the data simply over there, now I want to go for swapping logic. I want to write it. Swapping logic. How I am using, you see. Generally in your colleges, they will tell like this. Value of A will be available here. 10 is available. Value of B they are taking. B is containing 20. I want to go for interchanging that. For interchanging, you cannot write A is equal to B is equal to A. You cannot write it. This is all wrong logic. Because of that, both of them will contain the same content. For that, what we do, take the value of A and keep it into some other variable. Take the value of A, keep it into some other variable called what? Some X, some Y, something like you take it. Something like I am writing into K. I am writing into K. Keep the value of A into K. K is a some sort of variable which I am using for the purpose of interchanging this value. We call it as a temporary variable. Your faculty will say. Even you can take the same meaning. So A reserved in a variable called K. Now A is free. Take the value of B, take the value of B and put it into A. B value is called 20. 20 will be placed into A. That was called 20 A contains now. And then B is supposed to contain the old value of A, which was preserved into K. That you are writing it. Now B is containing what now? 10. So this is nothing but what? Interchanging this data. This is called interchanging the data. This is, we are using how many variables? 3 variables. Your faculties will tell this is one of the worst logic. Why worst logic? Because 3 variables using takes more memory space. Takes more memory space. In real time, we don't prefer to go for it. We don't prefer to go for it. That's why it is known as what? More time complexity it takes, more time complexity it takes, more space complexity it takes, more space complexity it takes. That's why this is one of worst logic. And if anybody asks in the interview point of view, especially this type of thing, we should not answer in the interview point of view, because taking 3 variables, taking more amount of time, we should not go for it. But as a teacher, I am telling to you, T is equal to A is equal to B, and A K. If you want, you can write here as K even. Here K is called, here K is called temporary variable. Temporary variable which holds, which is storing, which is holding, which is holding value of, which is holding the value of what? Value of A temporarily. And that point we are using. Mr. Asif, tell me what is this is known as? What is this is known as, if you following me? Previous one is what? Multi-line assignment. Okay. Oh, thank you for your doubt clarification. Okay. Thank you. Now you are saying this can be written as like this only. Two variables will take less memory space and less time complexity, less space complexity. This is the best logic. When you go for it, it is an academic logic. We don't prefer in the industry. One more logic I'll tell you. Still, I did not complete my topic. Still, topic is there. This example also, I will run it. Look at. So here, I'm going to take up. Here the value is called 100. Here the value is called 200. The values are, the values are 100 and 200, 210, 100, and this is interchanged. So now I'm going to enter into this 12.3 and then 45.67. It is also done. It is also done. Exchanging. You take the value called what Python, and then next is called Java. It is also exchanging. It is also exchanging. So any value you enter, that will be taken care. 23 plus 2 plus 3j, which is also done here. Well, coming to the point, explained 3 times in the class how it works. B value kept in A value kept in B. It takes the old values in the RHS and kept into the left side variable. This A value kept into the B. This I already explained 4 times. This is explained 5th time also. While I am explaining, you must listen carefully. Right. Let us move to this is the second logic. Is it clear, my dear students? Is this logic is clear? Come on, everybody respond. Is this logic is clear? Well, third logic I am going to explain. Shall I explain the third logic now? Third logic I am going to explain. Third logic. Right. Is it clear? Is it clear like a classroom? Class, classroom, classroom things. And now I think you are getting much clarity now. Okay. So there was no voice breaking, nothing. It is just like a very clear, I think so. Crystal clarity, my voice is coming for you. Okay. Next, I'm going to enter into the third logic. Third logic. Look at students. Third logic I'm going to take up. Assignment operator example 3.p1 using single line assignment operator here. I'm going to discuss here. I'm entering into assignment operator example 3.p1. So here I'm going. I'll take it as 4. I'll take it as 4. I'll take it as 4. Okay. So coming to this place, this is called the third example. And the fourth example I am taking, as usually you try to copy, as usually you try to copy and try to follow me one important mechanism I am saying. This interchanging of two values for numerical integer values only. Numerical integer values. Numerical integer values only. This is numerical integer values only. It is not for any of the other things. It is for numerical integer values only. This process I am going to explain. 3. If you want any sort of values, if you want to interchange, go for number 2. This is the best logic for you. And this is also okay, but you only observe 3 variables are there, takes more time. Now I'm going to take up, it is only swapping for numerical values only, logic number 3. Coming to this area now, this is also best logic for numerical values swapping. Sir, what is that logic here? Carefully try to follow. I am explaining it, try to follow. A value I am taking 10 is available here, and B I'm taking here 20, and B are 10, 20. I do here A plus B, I will do, my dear students. A plus B. What is the A plus B? All of you answer it. A plus B is how much? 30. All of you need to answer my question. Old value of A, old value of B, I'm writing in the brackets. A plus B is 30. Called what? 30. 30 kept into which variable? A. So this 10 is replaced with a 30. 30, I am writing it. Okay. Next I am writing here A minus B, I am writing A minus B. I am writing A minus B. What is the value of A? 30 minus 20, which is called 10. 30 minus 10, which is called 10, which is the old value of A, that I have to keep it into B. That I have to keep it into B. This 20 is replaced with a 10. This replaced with a 10. Got it. Now I am writing A minus B once again. What is the value of A? 30. Already value 30. Minus 10 is called a 20. That I am keeping into where? A. A, which is going to become what? 20. So 20 coming here, 10 is going there. This is also one of the best logic for what? Numerical values. Online students, was it clear? A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, A is equal to what? A minus B once again. Is it clear? Asif, student Asif. Is it clear, my dear student? Asif. Coming to the point of it. So this is, I'm not using multi-line assignment here. Multi-line assignment I'm not using. I'm using some different operator. Some different operator I'm using it. So coming to the point of it, you need to understand very carefully this data is done. So I will run my code. I'll run my code, enter that 1020. I got my something like, okay, here you are reading data in the form of str. You must write here input, int of, you must write it. I forget to write it. Since I copied it, that's why that is error is coming. So I converted into what? Into type. Let us run this code and take this 1020. You see the answer 1020, 2010. 10, 20, 20, 10. Run once again, you see that, and 200 and minus 300. No issue, you can enter 200 and minus 300. Minus 300 and then 200. Interchanged. Perfect. Run once again, here I'm going to write it 500 and minus 500 and minus 235. No problem, it is perfectly done. Is it clear? Is this example clear? Is this example is clear? Well, Gaurav, my dear student Gaurav, A plus B, we are adding and keeping the result here. Another I will tell you. That mechanism you can apply here. Gaurav, I am explaining once again. You be in the line. Gaurav, you come to the line. So line example 5.p1. Look at that 5.p1. Gaurav, you asked a doubt. I'm calling you. You need to respond. So, okay, Gaurav. Now coming to the point back 5.py. There I'm going to take up. There I'm going to take up this logic. You take it. Fourth logic, you take it. I'm explaining, Gaurav. Carefully try to follow. This is also logic number 4. What is this logic number 4, Gaurav? Coming to that for everybody now. Students, take this. A value I am taking 10. B value I am taking, that is called I am taking 20. Do, my dear students, or take smaller values. If you want, take smaller value. Here you take it as 4. I am taking it as 6 here. B value I am taking it as 6. You do one thing, multiply both of them. Old value of A is 4, value of B is called 6. Multiply both of them, Gaurav, multiply both of them. You only multiply. A into B, it is called 26. Oh, sorry, 24. Are you following me? 24. Keep it in A, Gaurav. Keep it in A. So this is replaced with 24. It was like what earlier? A plus B. Gaurav. Next, you do what? What is the value of this one? A double slash. What is the value of A 24? What is the value of B 6? 6 4 ja 24. That is the you are taking 24 0. A slash means 4 will be coming simply, which the old value of A, keep it into B. B Gaurav. Next I am writing. So B is going to contain 4, which is shifted here. Shifted here. You do once again A double slash B. Once again you do it. What is the value of A? 24. 24 was there. And B value is called 6. Oh, so it's 4. It was 4. It was 4. Now 4. Now I am writing. This was the 4. 4. 4 6 24. And this 6 was old value of B. You keep it into A. Now, Gaurav, this is in place of plus star, we wrote plus earlier. In place of slash, we write minus and minus. Equal to A star B, and B is equal to A slash B, and back, try to run it. Try to run it. Vamshi, listen, ma, listen the class. You'll get everything. Don't excite it. Don't immediately waste your time. So 10 and then I'm taking 20. So you are going to get 10, 20, 20, 10. Don't waste your time. I'm showing all the running things here. Let us run this now. Here I'm entering some 13 and some 17. Mr. Vamsi, these are the numbers. Vamsi is thinking that 6 and 4 are easily divisible like that. And what about the things which is not divisible? See the answer now. 13 and then 17. Is it clear? Vamsi and Gaurav. Is it clear? Vamsi and Gaurav, both of them. And I will take certain things. So Gaurav already said clear and Vamsi also said clear. Good students. Let us run this. One number you take it, 264, and you take it something like 97, you take it. 97 happily that are going to be available here. You take it minus 301 and minus 507. So see that answer is perfect. Vamsi. I think so. I think it is more clear. All the students in online. Am I clear about my concept? Am I clear about my concept? Perfect. Gaurav, Vamsi, Asif, I think it is more clear. Nice. So how many logics? How many logics I taught to you? 4 logics I taught. 4 logics. One more logic also I can tell you. One more logic also I can tell you. That logic is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators I can tell you. Right now, I don't want to go. Since you don't know bitwise operators, na, that's why I'm not teaching. If you want to go for bitwise operator, that logic also I will tell you now. Let us watch this logic now. Watch this logic. Actually, I'm not going to that logic. I will show you that since I said 5 logics for you, I'm going to tell you that another logic also, because I want to tell you all the subject in the place which I want to make you extraordinary in my class. So that is, what is this number? 6 or 6 dot py, 6 dot py, 6 dot py. Under that, I will copy this. I'm using bitwise operators. I'm using here. I'm using 6 dot py logic number 5. I'm going to take up exclusive OR operator. I'm going to write it exclusive OR operator. I'm writing exclusive OR operator. You try to understand, try to run this. Try to run this. Numerical values only. You say 10, 20, you say 10, 20, 10, 20, 20, 10. Most perfect. Exclusive bitwise operator, but you don't know what is that. I'll explain in the class. I'll say minus 234 and minus 10, something like 23 like that. No problem. The value is swapped. Is it clear, my dear students? How many swapping logics? This is called a single line assignment. This is called a single line assignment. And this is called a single line assignment. This is called a single line assignment with a temporary variable. And which is the best logic? Shiva. Which is the best logic? Shiva. And this logic, what you set in the academic, what people are saying, it is one of the worst logic. We should not tell this logics. Either we have to tell this logic. So, Asif, okay, my dear student, thank you. So, okay, thank you. Till today, I only knew about temporary variable logic. Good. Different. AVR class is something different. I'll tell you everything, but I will tell you this is the most important. So, now, student, that Shiva is saying this sentence. So, he's saying that, let us look at that. Asif, thank you, sir. Till today, I knew only about temporary variable logic. Yes, thank you, Asif. From Shiva, I can't even list all the things you have taught me, but most importantly, you have taught me a kind person, and I will remember all this life. Thanks for inspire me. Yes, because you are my students. When you commit mistake, it's my responsibility to tell where you are committing mistake, how to do it. All these things I'll tell. This is the most important part, what you people has to learn it. So what you say, if I say it is a correct, but I cannot, I have to correct it originally. That is a good teacher properties. You have to respond it. If you did not respond, I will also not respond. Okay. So, okay, my dear student. Okay, Das is saying something. Das is saying something. Rajeshwari Das. So, you are the best teacher I have seen in my entire education till now. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So, my dear students, important point is I will take this data. I'll take this data. I want to write it. This is the number one. There I'm going to take up print of AB. Print of AB. I'm saying that if I'm going to write it, A comma B is equal to B comma and I print here, print of B comma A comma B only, A comma B. This is called what it is printed, 2010 is printed. Right? Students, for more examples, for more, this is called what logic, swapping logic. So how many swapping logics I said? So many logics I said so far, swapping logic. And along with that, multiple logics also I said to you students. And these many examples I'll send to you now. So I think today's class is more clear about which operator. So, Sai, my dear student, I'm not like that, my dear student, right? So I'm the, you don't feel like that. I'm not like a person. Even in Guido van Rossum, I'm just even 0.0001 only. So if I'm going to give you a clear guidance up to you get the job, that is more than enough. So yes, okay. So my dear student, Jamshad Khan, from student name called Jamshad Khan. So my responsibility is to make you under my subject. That is my selfishness. Whoever is answering, whoever is attending my batch, I want to make you wonder in my classes. That is my 27 years of teaching career, which I'm making my students. Right. And Usha is asking this word, and which is not necessary at this present. So 10 you are saying, and then 20 you are saying. This word is saying that program execution is completed. This is, we least bother about it. Please worry about this logics only. This is not necessary. Okay? This is not necessary. Take care of that. Please worry about your subject. Well, coming to the point of further. So assignment operator is more clear for you people. Now I'll move to the further. So what is the next one? Next one is called what? Another kind of things I want to go for it. So here I'm going to say this answer, we are going to post to you all these things. Okay. So if we come to this place, operator, assignment operator, I said, next one is called what? Relational operator. I will tell you on the Monday class. Monday class, I will go for it. Is my class is clear today? So, okay. So this one more student is saying something and see his answer. So is one student is saying from his student name is not able to give. Daily you are building our confidence level is high with your subject, sir. Thank you, my dear student. That's what I expect from you people. Learn well, read well, practice well, utilize my services, and spread this to all your friends. So, Shiva, okay. Again, Shiva is expressing his view on my class. Could ever asked for your advice and guidance helped me stronger. Thank you so much. Right? Always most welcome, students. And don't feel that when I say directly something to you people. And that is for your betterment to make you little stronger. You are good in your area, but in my area, I want to make you strong like me so that I want to go for extraordinary. You already strong in your point of it, but I want to make you in my subject area so that you will get it tomorrow industry basis subject. So I'm writing here this part we are going to enter into the further discussion. Thank you, students. So Ramakrishna is saying, so Ramakrishna. Of course, you people are praising and don't feel that I'm posting on the screen. Beautiful way of teaching like you. I never see up to now. So Rajeshwari. So last one I want to show you here. So I'm offline student. I want to really appreciate your teaching, but I never got such a chance. But today I'm saying it today. I feel very lucky to have a teacher like you. Okay. Students, Ashok Kumar, after completion of operators, the control flow statements is core Python will complete. Yes, Ashok Kumar, we are going to complete the flow controls after this operators over. We will go for it. I already said no. So I advise you You please go for what topic are things. Okay. That what is that? Akshay. None type also I will cover, ma. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll cover it. What I am explaining, I will remember all such a type of things. I'll explain everything. So, yes, Shiva, that's correct. That's correct. Okay, students. So I will stop my class. We'll go for um, right, Rajkumar. Thank you, my dear student. Thanks to all of you. And I'll stop my class. And tomorrow class, tomorrow is Sunday, Monday, offline is offline, online is online. And Monday, we can come to offline, online as well as offline. Both of them will be done. Okay. Thank you, guys. All the best. If anybody is having the doubts, you hold on. I'll talk to you regarding the doubts. Hold on. I'll talk to the doubts. Okay. So take care about it. I'll take the doubt session now. If you people are having the doubts, you can raise your hands. The student name is Nandini. Yes, ma? Nandini, what is your doubt? Nandini has withdrawn the hand. Anybody is having the doubt, students? Anybody is having the doubt, students? Something like